Hello, fellow reactor, and welcome back to Re-Up. Just wanted to give you a quick snapshot tutorial of the feed flow. So after you pick your interest, you notice you start to see videos, different videos that do match your interest. The easiest way to navigate is just to swipe left to see the new content, and you can always swipe right just to go back to where you were previously. Another tip and trick is this bottom bar right here is actually a quick access bar. You're able to flow through here and pick at any point where you're trying to go on there as well, so you can always jump through to the content. If you do like something and you want to learn more about it, you can always tap on the call to action, which then opens up, the website or Go app or YouTube or wherever the content partner wants you to go. If you just want to leave an emoji, you can feel free to leave one there. If you want to favorite it so you can see it later, just tap on the favorite, and then you can always access it on the sidebar here in the favorite section. You can see it right here in the top left. If you then want to share it, you can definitely feel free to share it using just the share option here. Another unique feature is if you want to even see more from this specific content partner, you can do a few things. You tap on their actual icon over to the left, the avatar, that opens up this new window. And you see to the top right here, there's actually videos. Here you can actually then tap on videos, and it actually curates your entire feed based off of Noisy Jamaica, which is this content partner. If you want to get out of it, you can press the back button, or you can just shake. Once you shake your phone physically, it actually then goes back to that same position you were in the feed itself. So here. Another quick or great tip to know on here is if you're actually trying to, so let's say you swipe left or jumped up to sports, because these different colors at the bottom here represent a different category. So you can, green is sports, that deep purple is actually African music ethnic. So you can tap on that, and if you want to see more of this type of content, so for example this is related to basketball with the Olympics, just deep press on that thumbnail and that filters your feed as well. You can see it's all filtered by sports, and you can then do it shake to then get back to your normal feed, and just brings a new set of content. Finally, if you do see Vybz Kartel as an example, you want to follow them, you just tap on their avatar, and then that brings up this window. You can choose what the relationship is to you, and what the value of the relationship is. So Vybz Kartel, I don't know them, but they're a celebrity, and I do really love their music, so I just put a love and then you follow. Easy peasy, Japanesey.